Daddy. Kain si Jollibee. Upod si Mami. Si Daddy. Kag si... Never mind. Happy baby. Daddy. Enjoy ka, Daddy. Ano yung food? Wow, namin siyang food. Chicken, may spaghetti. May arasang rice, french fries, and burger, and ketchup, and chok! And soft drink. At si Mami, si Baby. Daddy, nyam nyam nyam. Nyam nyam nyam. Yan ang ginakain ni Baby sa Jollibee. Yay! Nyam nyam nyam. Bisa kain spaghetti, diba? Yeah. You want some more? You want some more?